If you're waiting for GPT-5 to upgrade your workflow, you might be waiting too long. Here's why Gemini 3 matters now. Stop speculating. We're breaking down exactly where Gemini 3 beats what we think GPT-5 will be capable of. The AI world is holding its breath for GPT-5, but has Google's Gemini 3 already won the crucial battles? We're diving deep into the core architecture. Forget the hype. Let's look at raw performance. First up, MMLU benchmarks. Gemini 3 is already setting the bar incredibly high, often exceeding early GPT-4 performance. But what about GPT-5? Rumors suggest a massive leap, maybe hitting 90% plus. Can they actually prove it at launch? For developers, coding efficiency matters more than theoretical scores. How fast are they shipping functional code? Gemini 3 shows superior logic flow in complex reasoning tasks, especially mathematical proofs. If your job involves deep, multi-step problem solving, this is crucial. Are you missing out on accuracy now? Now, let's talk multimodality. This is where Google has a clear, native advantage. Gemini 3 was built multimodal from the ground up. It understands image context alongside text input instantly. OpenAI has historically bolted on modalities. Will GPT-5 finally match this native fluency? If your use case involves analyzing live video feeds or complex diagrams, Gemini 3 currently leads the pack. But here's the catch: speed and latency matter for production environments. Enterprise users demand low latency. Gemini 3, running on Google's optimized infrastructure, is incredibly fast. GPT-5 might be smarter, but if it takes 500 milliseconds longer per query, that hits your bottom line hard. And let's talk cost. Pricing models are key for scaling AI adoption across your team. If GPT-5 launches at a premium price point, Gemini 3 becomes the default high-performance, cost-effective choice. Which model offers the best bang for your buck right now? That's a critical question for Q3 planning. Moving on to the memory wars, context windows. This defines long-form comprehension. Gemini 3 already supports massive context lengths, allowing it to digest entire codebases or long legal documents. We expect GPT-5 to push this boundary even further, maybe hitting 2 million tokens easily. But having a large window isn't enough. You need to ensure the model actually pays attention to the middle. This is called needle in a haystack testing. Gemini's retrieval has been remarkably consistent. If GPT-5 sacrifices retrieval quality for sheer size, Gemini maintains the practical advantage for you. Time for the X factor. The unexpected strength that could define the winner. For Gemini, that factor is deep integration across the entire Google ecosystem. If your business runs on Workspace, Gemini 3 offers immediate, frictionless productivity gains. It's not just the model, it's the deployment environment that matters for enterprise adoption. OpenAI's X factor? Advanced agentic capabilities in custom GPTs. GPT-5 is rumored to bring truly autonomous agents that can handle entire projects end-to-end. If you need an AI to manage your entire sales funnel, GPT-5 might be built for that specific future. But can you trust an agent that hasn't been rigorously tested in the wild yet? Let's summarize the core differences developers care about most. Gemini 3, native multimodality, proven speed, deep ecosystem integration. GPT-5, rumored potentially higher raw reasoning ceiling, superior agentic capabilities. Which one deserves your subscription fee today? This is the real decision point. If you need production-ready performance this week, Gemini 3 is the safer, faster bet. You gain immediate benefits from its multimodal understanding and integration. However, if you are building the next generation of autonomous AI tools, hedge your bets on OpenAI. GPT-5 will likely set the absolute ceiling for capability, but at a potential cost and latency premium. What does this mean for the next 12 months? Expect fierce competition driving down prices. Google will push Gemini updates aggressively to maintain their speed advantage over the new GPT release. This rivalry isn't about one winner, it's about choosing the right tool for your specific job today. Are you optimizing for raw intelligence or real-world deployment speed? Tell me in the comments, which model are you betting your next big project on? If you found this deep, high-fidelity analysis useful, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button. We deliver this kind of unvarnished, 4K tech breakdown every week. And share this video with your development team. Stay ahead of the curve, folks. We'll see you in the next analysis when GPT-5 finally drops. Until then, keep building.